Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stocks on Webull step by step. First, download the Webull app from your App Store and complete the initial registration. You'll need to fund your account, typically with a minimum deposit of $100 or more, to begin trading. Finally, complete the identity verification process by submitting the required documents, which usually takes a few business days. This ensures your account is fully ready for trading. Once your account is active, navigate the Webull platform. Use the search bar at the top to find specific stocks by their ticker symbol, like Apple for Apple. Before buying, explore the detailed market data, recent news, and analyst ratings available for each stock. This research helps you make informed decisions. Also, utilize the charting tools to analyze price trends and various technical indicators. To place a trade, select the stock you want to buy and tap the Trade button. You'll then choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price you're willing to pay. Enter the number of shares you wish to purchase or the exact dollar amount you want to invest. Review your order carefully before confirming the trade. After your purchase, it's crucial to monitor your portfolio's performance regularly. Track individual stock gains or losses and understand how your investments are performing overall. Webull offers tools to help you visualize your portfolio's health. You can also set up price alerts to receive notifications about significant market movements or when a stock reaches a target price. Remember to check the description for links to other deals and the featured product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.